right now we are here in the van for this trip. So we are registered with Elephant Jungle Sanctuary Pattaya Experience. So this is half day visit joint transfer Pattaya. So it means you will be picked up from your hotel within Pattaya in Jomtien Beach. So the pickup time is from 6:30 to 7. So that is included in the package. Additional inclusion should be English speaking guide, snacks, refreshments, insurance provided by the operator, round trip transfer as I've mentioned. Also photographs, elephant food, one free eco bag, Thai meal. So it's an option if you have dietary preferences. Tapos, what else? You will be asked or given the information of what to bring, like change of clothes, caps or hats, sunscreen, swimwear, towel, insect repellent, walking shoes. Make sure you have a photocopy of your passport. I got this via Klook, Klook, very popular platform here in Asia. So this trip should end around 11. So from 7 to 11 o'clock, so that's 4 hours of the entire trip. And don't worry, I will put all links on the description, and it will be for you, my viewers. Sana nagkakarinigan tayo. I'll just show you the front view and also the side views of this trip. So this is on the right side part of the car. 6 people in this van. That's the front view. Pretty spacious. Mga ka-friendship, may elephant na. Isang elephant pa lang. Yes, I guess we're here with the other groups. Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Here we go. Kapong Kap. Kapong Kap. Oh my God, this is it.
So watch your own toilet is behind the beauty, everyone, okay? Later, everyone, okay, you take over your cell phone and camera. Just need your bag, you need to take it, okay?
So this is orientation. So we need to listen.
Locker, you take the key with our staff over there first, okay? You make a deposit for the key 100 baht. This is for deposit, okay? You will get your money back. Okay, alright, everyone, get 10 minutes, okay?
Mga ka-friendship, that is Dokia of 20 years old. Oh my God. That's 40 years old.
And the last one ninja, the oldest here, 47.
Ninja, 47 years old. Oh my God, mga ka-friendship.
Main food is grass. So they love bananas, yeah, but cannot eat too much.
The oldest, 47 years old.
Not good for their healthy.
Okay, the feeding time mga ka-friendship. So dapat sa front lang ha, sa front lang. Kasi parang delikado if it's on the sides or at the back of the elephant. Medyo delikado. So dapat again front lang. So this is the feeding time. Oh my God. Let's not go first. So this is the demo time mga ka-friendship. Okay, so point lang talaga. Point. So right hand lang mga ka-friendship. Ito lang ha. Okay, let's do this. Like this mga ka-friendship. Kunin mo lang. Yeah. Kuha lang ganyan. Yeah, only one. Oh my God. Shit. So let's go more. So I'm just doing this for the vlog, and then let's try once more. Okay, mga ka-friendship. Okay, let's do this. It's already on. Yeah, so you can hold it here if you want. So I'll just give something. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, yeah. Can I? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, this is it. Thank you. Stop. I did it! Thank you, Pete! Thank you, Pete!
You're welcome.
Oh my God! Wow, beautiful high elephant there. So nice. I think I need to face my fears. Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
Then this
Yeah, this one is for you. Oh my God. Hi. Yes. More bananas. Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Hi. Yes. Yeah, for you. Oh my God. Ilonggo ka mo, Bisaya. Ilonggo ako. Oo. Hadlok gani ko, buisit. Yes. Yeah. Yes, for you. Okay, last na. Tama na. Tama na. Yes, for the video.
Go!
Wow, tama.
Kaya mo yan.
Salamat. Oh, thank you. Kumakain siya. But I will not give bananas kasi parang takot ako. Mga ka-friendship. Pasensya na. Afraid ang lola mo. Yan. And then after this, merong pa-shower sa mga elephant. Oh. So, ilang elephants to? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, a total of 7 elephants. So, talagang banana trees na talaga mga ka-friendship. Pak. Pak. The whole banana na hindi na banana fruit. Oh, taray. Taray. Ano talaga?
Am I supposed to give him this?
Just you hold it out. Just hold it out steady.
May patae effect. Oh. Oh, taray. Oh, patae effect, guys. For free. Blockbuster screening. Okay.
Oh, like peel.
So parang may rice, banana, tapos yung pa-supplement, tapos yung tamarind, tapos
Am I stupid to peel the banana because I'll eat the whole thing? Or do you want it?
Pardon?
Am I meant to peel it?
Well, we didn't
they,
peel
they
it,
eat
right?
everything.
Actually, they put everything, but this one we put it smashy with powder together. It's not like how we say. It's not together with that. Okay, we
just
had
fed them
to
100
peel it,
bananas with the
skin off.
skin on.
It's better.
Okay.
So it's better to peel it off. And then tamarind. Okay. So parang ang eksena yan, may tapos may salt pa. Okay. Tapos mortar and pestle. Eksena.
Yeah, okay, like ready?
So ganyan lang siya.
Harder. Like you angle your mommy. Ready?
So parang ano lang, i-mix everything. Ganun.
You do. Okay, together. Keep going. This will be everything like come together.
Okay. Parang siguro pakain mamaya. So ganun.
This is already for all.
So we had to make like the meatball.
Parang kaya niya naman eh.
Elephant, they love it, but we cannot give it only one elephant. You give just one, it's make it. It's a very hot one.
They are hiring me.
It's mostly every day.
You want some help? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, so you mix it and you're done. Yeah. No for the mortar. So you have to mix it like that. Yeah. Like that. And then you taste it. It's delicious. So you're like, you're the warrior. You mix it. It's done. Okay, who wants to try? You want to try? I'm tired. Okay, you do it. Yeah. So that's how you do it. That's a wrap. So after the mixing part, so you form the balls. Okay, so parang ganyan lang siya, mga ka-friendship. Okay. Parang ganyan sila. Diba? Oo, mag-video lang ako. Actually, I made those balls.
Excuse me?
Yeah, so I made like 10.
Credit grabber.
And then she made just one. Okay, yeah. So this is how you do it.
Oh, you try.
I already made 20, so give chance to others. So this is how they make the balls, ladies and gentlemen. So this is for the feeding again. For the elephants. The unlimited food trip. Okay. The mukbang. Okay. So mga ka-friendship, we will take one.
Yes.
Yeah. So this, okay, thank Kapong kap.
You get one each, but one
So,
elephant, you get
yes, this is for, dito na lang tayo. Dito na lang tayo para malapit. Okay. Yeah, hi. For you, elephant. Yes. Yes, thank you. Alright, nakatatlo ka ha. Okay. Ngayon, mga ka-friendship. So, in the mud with these elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 mga elepante. Okay, tapos may pa-water. Oh, nota. Safe tayo. Safe tayo. This is the mud pack. Parang gano'n. Ay, ano siya? You eat the mud. It's already on.
It's already on. Okay, I'll just do distance.
Ay, akala ko elephant. I thought you're an elephant. Sorry.
睇唔到係講開咗，係講睇唔到係咁嘅喎，係嗰個。
Yes, from Pattaya. May pa-splash effect eh.
Vanessa, check and smell.
This is
So mga ka-friendship, parang ito daw yung dry version.
So after driving everyone
Okay,
again,
na walang
before we make an
amoy.
envelope. Okay, we make an envelope, but now it's not enough because every day people they come a lot. They didn't take it. We just make it like souvenir. You can use it like regular paper.
So parang
You can
ipa,
draw, you
ano
can
daw,
paint, like-
tubig. Tapos i-spread siya, tapos parang gawing papel.
Yeah. So after that, we take it about everyone okay about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, mostly about 4. Okay.
So mga 3 to 4 na oras lang.
Yeah, let me
Tapos
here.
after 3 to 4
Maybe can
hours.
Dry out the sun. Okay. What are the people that make it yesterday?
Pag na-dry na siya, parang papel na siya. Okay.
Just a little bit. Very good. You like it? Okay. Anybody want to
Sa
try?
tae. So sa tae.
Okay. If you need to try, okay. Welcome. You wanna
Okay.
try? Everyone okay? Who needs
So
to try?
I think
Tell
we
me.
will
Okay.
try this. Kasi predicted 4 hours daw. Okay, let's do this. So this is how we do it.
Okay.
Parang ganyan. Ganyan lang siya mga ka-friendship. Okay, pak. So, spread mo lang siya. Okay, spread. Gaganutin mo na siya. Okay, yes. Tapos na siya. Okay.
Get your food.
Alright. So again, mga ka-friendship, tae. Tae ang... tae na. Tae ng elepante. Okay, so after this, so we will dry this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you dry it over there. Okay, so this is our version. I made this. Okay, yeah. And then after which, 3 to 4 hours, parang ganito na yung final product niya. O, di ba ang ganda? Yes. Mga ka-friendship, or so many things to do here sa Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. So hello mga ka-friendship, end na ng ating trip and it's already 11:05. So Thai time at saka natapos din ang ating activities from feeding the elephants, showering, and then parang meron tayong paper making from the poop of the elephants. Tapos nag-snack tayo, may pabuda from the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary Camp. From there to here, I think it only takes 35 minutes. So that's 25 kilometers estimation ko lang. So mga ka-friendship, I'm also tired. Probably magre-rest muna tayo and then later mag-e-enjoy na naman tayo. Ang sarap na sa pakiramdam kasi I met this group of people from Cebu. I remember their names, Lyde, si Krisha, sino pa ba? Sorry ha, guys, kung nakikita nyo tong YouTube video na to. So please, write your names on the comment section. Tapos may nami din ako from England, si Pete. Tapos may mga kachika din ako from Malaysia. One couple very nice. The girl actually filmed me for this putting months on the elephants. So guys, salamat. It was a nice experience. So I really recommend this trip from Klook. And yes, there you have it. And I will show you more of Thailand